Yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, oh, stack it up, let's go. Got my ruler and my numbers tight, 2 flat bass and side to side, in linked times with that's where we start. Perfect basses are the smartest part, take it slow, no need to rush, learning formulas that we can trust. Equal basses make it right, Michel Gamboa taught us last night. Set from bass to bass we climb, higher and higher, one step at a time. Every inch, both ends the same, watch the volume grow in this game. Volume equals area of bass times high, matching basses make our calculations right. 2 flat basses stack them up to perfect grace. C's we grace, B equals A equals times. Can you feel it now? Stack it up, we get it out. Oh.
Rectangular prism, 2 bases flat, equal size are where it's at. Stack from bottom straight to top, equal bases never stop. Cylinder standing round and true, 2 flat bases cutting through.
Times the height and there you go, volume something everybody should know. Stack from bass to bass we climb, higher and higher, one step at a time. Every inch, both ends the same, watch the volume grow in this game. Volume equals area of bass times height, matching basses make our calculations right. 2 flat basses stack them up to perfect grace. Be with feel AC equals A bass times. Can you feel it now? Stack it up, we figured it out. Yeah, we got it now. 2 equal bases, matching just right, them together. Bass to bass high, perfect partner. Tall and brown, both volumes the answer that we found. Volume equals area of bass times height, matching basses make our calculations right. 2 flat basses stacking along to perfect grace. Be more free to grace, B equals A this times. Can you feel